Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I'm going to show you how I take a solar light from the Dollar Tree and a candle holder, and we're going to make a really cute little outdoor light, and I kind of want to go coastal with this. So I'm just going to take the top off of the jar and paint it ivory with some spray paint. I just covered the light part there with a little bit of painter's tape, and then I will have to tape off the solar panel there because I don't want to get any paint on that. But the reason I'm painting the top of the solar light ivory is because I'm going to combine it with that ivory candle holder from the Dollar Tree so it will match together. And we're going to do a really easy, fun coastal solar light with this. So that looks pretty good. And now we can start putting this together. I'm going to use some stronger glue, some Gorilla Glue Clear Grip here on the outer edge, and then in the middle I do a little bit of hot glue to glue it on the candle holder so it won't fall off. And we have a really beautiful little lamp. I picked up some little tiny seashells on Amazon. I used to get these at Dollar Tree, but they've been kind of hard to find lately. So I do have those linked in my Amazon shop if you need some small shells. But I just fill it up with some Dollar Tree sands and throw in some seashells, arranging them around a little bit. I wanted a wide variety, and it even came with some little starfish, so I'll put one of those in there too just for fun. Now that the paint is dry on the top of our solar light, we can just put this right back on. I love these new solar lights they have this year from Dollar Tree. I think they're really versatile and fun, and you can do cool stuff like this with them. As you can see, it's really pretty during the day. This would look great on a table, and lit up at night with that pattern on the side, it gives a really nice light pattern. If you'd like more Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach or visit my website at craftybeach.net. Happy crafting!